Greetings everyone. This is Charvi Bapna of second year pursuing BTech in Computer Science Engineering from Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies, Udaipur, Rajasthan. Right from my childhood, I had been part of several clubs in my school, and many times I took the lead too. I was the head girl in my school, the head of the literary club, and also am the student of the year in the first year of my college. Along with that, my team participated in several hackathons, and I'm very proud to say that I'm the Smart India Hackathon winner 2023. iStart Ideathon winner 2023 and runner up at MNIT Jaipur Hackathon 2023. And right now, running the startup and proud to say that I'm the CTO of my company. I always believe that participation is more important than winning, and thus finding myself suitable for the responsibilities of lead. If selected, I want to further continue it and take it to the pinnacle. I feel I can inculcate different cultures in the community and help it grow more. And I always believe in teamwork and unity. My goal is to provide the student developers with an environment where they learn and explore new things besides the academic syllabus. That's all. Thank you, Google, for accepting my application and giving me this opportunity. Have a good day.